Yeah, hi. My name is Sanjay Juneja, and I'm a full-time trader investor. I manage my own portfolio. I've been doing it for about 4 years now. Essentially, I've been a trader earlier in my past life in commodities, but now I do it primarily on my own.
How has Strike helped you in trading?
Yeah, look, the biggest thing I really like about Strike, and it's a tool which probably I was waiting forever, it wasn't there for me, is that from my experience, I've realized that if I need to really make money, I need to jump on a new sector which is doing well and new stocks which have just started a big move. I did not, as an individual, and also probably because of my style, I did not spend too much time in scanning all these sectors or the stocks. Now this is where Strike really helps me, and I mean it's something which has changed the way I trade. Looking at the relative strength, and especially the heat maps, and how quickly it can give you, which are the stocks which are doing just starting to do well in the week, in the last month, and if it shows me many stocks of the same sector, that's a very big opportunity bell ringing for me right there. And similarly, if it shows some stocks which are regularly coming up, I mean, not only on a larger time frame, but on a daily time frame again and again. So it tells me that this is where I need to be. I, of course, have my other checklist, which I would run through. It could be the various charts or the fundamentals, but I needed the exact sector and the names sort of earlier than what the market picks up. And that's if I analyze my last 4 years of trading, I've made money essentially there, where I've got on earlier than not. So in that sense, it's a tool which has really changed the game for me, and it will. I mean, I'm not saying that it's overnight nothing happens, but the fact that it's given me that extra edge, which I did not have. So for me, it's a very a tool which I can't. I mean, I always needed that. It's not that I didn't know that it didn't fall from the sky, but it wasn't there. It wasn't there in a very easy, approachable manner, which India Charts and the team has really worked very hard on, and made it available in a very easy to use, very intuitive way. And with that comes a whole lot of other, so many other features on Strike, which some of them I use, some I don't. I'm still learning how to use those features. But this is the one which to me, in any market, especially a bull market, a change of a market and change of a sector, this is where it's made a very big difference to me.